How does artificial intelligence developed for traffic signal optimization and increased accessibility for pedestrians with visual or physical disabilities ultimately end up helping feed children during the COVID-19 pandemic? Carnegie Mellon University and the Mobility21 National University Transportation Center understand transformational impacts of the world's most cutting-edge AI technology and the associated risks.
Hi, I'm Steve Smith. I'm a research professor of robotics at Carnegie Mellon University, where I head the Intelligent Coordination and Logistics Lab. For the past 10 years or so, one big area of research of mine has been what I now call smart transportation infrastructure. We started sort of back in 2009, 2010, focusing on the problem of real-time adaptive traffic signal control. We developed an algorithm. We were in contact with the city of Pittsburgh, and they gave us some data, about how their signals run. We looked downtown at first, and we built a simulation. In the simulation model, we were getting really nice results. In 2015, we spun out a company, Rapid Flow Technologies, to commercialize the technology. We're now in 22 North American cities, building on this connected vehicle technology to sort of integrate the traffic signal system with pedestrians, in particular pedestrians with disabilities. We've developed a device, PedPal is what we call it. The smartphone app communicates with the intersection. It knows how fast you walk or how slow you walk, and it can communicate that in real time to the intersection. Basically, whenever you do get the signal to cross, you'll be guaranteed that you get enough time. The app can actually do something very similar to the route sharing. The app can communicate in advance when you're going to get to the intersection. Then it can fold you into the timing plans that it's generating all the time. While we're currently, with the help of some other company, local company in Pittsburgh, Pathview, we're looking at expanding the app to do accessible route planning for, say, wheelchair, not necessarily the fastest route to get where you want to go, but the one that has sidewalks or the one that sidewalks aren't crumbling. We also, in collaboration with one of the self-driving car companies here, Argo, are looking at communicating presence information to approaching vehicles that are connected.
Once the pandemic hit and school districts switched to virtual learning, one district, specifically Penn Hills, was having a difficult time getting meals to their students and families who needed them. They were only serving meals to about 100 of those students.
It was pretty serendipitous, actually. We were working with an organization, Allies for Children. Rather than using buses to take people to school, to and from school, use the buses to transport the meals to the students. So we developed, a routing, scheduling algorithm to deliver meals, and we specifically connected with one local community school district, Penn Hills.
The program certainly offered dignity to our families. We tend to have a very proud community.
They gave us our data. We used that to generate and develop the algorithms and refine them. Access Transportation provided us with vehicles. That was funded by the United Way. And the meals themselves were provided by Eaton Park restaurant. I think we delivered over 100,000 meals.
Mobility21 is a U.S. Department of Transportation grant-funded National University Transportation Center.
We've got tremendous support from the beginning, from Mobility21, before their existence, to Traffic 21. That's really what allowed us the seed money to start the traffic signal work in the beginning, and they've really been a constant partner in this effort, trying to expand the work and bring good things to the region.
Dr. Smith's research demonstrates how AI can evolve to meet the changing needs of the community. This research also provides a good example of the Mobility21 University Transportation Center's model of research, development, and deployment, which leverages the critical community, government, and corporate partners necessary for real-world impacts. We will continue to listen to our partners and apply cutting-edge technology to evolve research to meet community needs. To learn more about Dr. Smith's work and the Mobility21 University Transportation Center, visit our website, mobility21.cmu.edu.